This notebook is designed for analyzing and modeling advertising data to predict sales based on budgets across TV, radio, and newspaper channels. It begins with data exploration, including loading the dataset, statistical summaries, and correlation analysis to identify relationships between variables. The notebook then addresses data cleaning by checking for missing values and duplicates. In the data pre-processing phase, it analyzes the skewness of the target variable, creates new features, and standardizes the data for modeling. Multiple regression models, including linear regression, decision tree, and random forest, are trained and evaluated using mean squared error, MSE, and R-squared scores. The notebook also incorporates cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning to optimize model performance. Finally, it visualizes the relationships between advertising spends and predicted sales through 3D plots. This structured approach enables businesses to gain predictive insights, select the best model for sales forecasting, and make data-driven decisions to optimize advertising strategies.